How to increase your CRS score fast? Did you know that even a small improvement in your CRS score could strengthen your express entry profile? If you're planning to apply for Canada permanent residence, understanding how to improve your CRS score is an important step toward achieving your immigration goals. Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. In today's video, we'll discuss how to increase your CRS score, the factors that can improve your ranking, and practical ways to strengthen your express entry profile. So, make sure to watch this video until the end. What is a CRS score? The Comprehensive Ranking System, or CRS, is the points-based system used by the Government of Canada to rank eligible candidates in the express entry pool. Your CRS score is calculated based on factors such as your age, education, language ability, work experience, and other qualifying credentials. Generally, a stronger profile results in a higher CRS score. 1. Improve your language test results. One of the most effective ways to improve your CRS score is by achieving higher scores on an approved English or French language test. Even a small increase in your language test results may improve your overall CRS score. If possible, consider preparing thoroughly and retaking the test to achieve a better result. 2. Gain more skilled work experience. Additional skilled work experience may increase your CRS score. Whether the experience is gained in your home country or in Canada, it can strengthen your express entry profile if it meets the program requirements. Keeping accurate employment records is also important during the application process. 3. Continue your education. Completing a higher level of education may increase your CRS score. If you plan to study further, earning an additional diploma, degree, or recognized qualification could improve your profile over time. Remember that foreign education credentials generally need an Educational Credential Assessment, or ECA, for many express entry applicants. 4. Apply for a provincial nominee program. A provincial nominee program, commonly known as a PNP, may provide one of the biggest opportunities to improve your CRS score. If you receive a provincial nomination through an eligible express entry stream, you may receive 600 additional CRS points, which can significantly improve your ranking. Eligibility requirements vary by province and immigration stream. 5. Gain eligible Canadian work experience. If you have the opportunity to gain eligible Canadian work experience, it may strengthen your express entry profile. Canadian work experience can contribute additional CRS points and may also improve eligibility for certain immigration programs. 6. Improve your spouse's profile. If you are applying with your spouse or common law partner, their qualifications may also contribute to your overall CRS score. For example, approved language test results, education credentials, and eligible work experience may provide additional points depending on your application. Important tip: rather than focusing on just one area, review your entire profile to identify where improvements may be possible. Sometimes, improving several factors together can have a greater impact than concentrating on only one. Final thoughts. We hope this video has helped you understand some practical ways to improve your CRS score. Every applicant's profile is different, and the best strategy depends on your education, work experience, language ability, and long-term immigration goals. Since immigration programs and requirements can change over time, staying informed and planning carefully can help you make better decisions throughout your immigration journey. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.